Hello and welcome to CHM Model Railways. This is my layout in the shed in the garden. I started it last year. It's not complete as yet, it's basic. I've got all the tracks and I'm just having a test run after the winter quiet period. So at the moment I've only got 2 locos, and the first one is the tank engine with the 3 coaches, and the second one is the 3F with how many is there? 5 coal trucks on. One's been a bit naughty, so I've taken it off. As you can see, there's quite a bit of ballasting still to do, and the hills here are just basically grey painted. It's only watercolour paints that I've used. But they seem to be running well so far. I'd better be careful saying that, because that's possibly tempting fate. Yes, I seem to keep getting a pause just there and there on those. As you can see, I've started a bit of scenic area on the platforms. And you can probably notice that there's quite a lot of Metcalfe cardboard kits for the retaining walls, and butchered Metcalfe kits for the that I've made the bridge out of. A Metcalfe signal box, and the little Metcalfe signal box there with I think those are ratio level crossings. That's a small turntable that I managed to fit in the corner. It's only hand operated at the moment, as are all the points. There's no point motors. It's manual operation with your finger. And I'm using an NCE power cab. On the layout, so I am DCC, but as I say, at the moment I've only got 2 locomotives on the roster, which I'm hoping to get a few more in the very near future. And this is what I call the fiddle yard area, and storage sidings for when I actually do get more locomotives and stock. The wagons are Dapol, apart from the brake van, which is a Bachmann one, and that's the Hornby passenger train set that I bought a few years ago. And I'm just going to place the camera down on the track and see if I can get a good view of them coming round. yes, all seems to be running nicely at the moment. Let's just try another view. There's still a lot of work to do on the layout, so I will close up for now, and I hope you like, and please like and subscribe. Future updates, there's quite a lot of scenic work to do, and hopefully might be able to purchase some more locomotives and rolling stock. So bye for now.